My channel, Furniture Rescue, is about finding furniture that has been thrown away or discarded because the people don't think there's any life left in it, and then I put life back into it. I found this table in the garbage, still in the box, with all of its pieces and parts still there. To include this bag of parts for connecting the legs, which was attached to the bottom still, and still had the instructions on how to put it together, and the method in order to order more parts if the parts you've got are wrong, or if they're missing. It's still connected with the leaf, is connected as the manufacturer wanted it to. I've removed most of the styrofoam, but all of the styrofoam was still here. For this table, and you saw at the beginning, this is a Round Hill Furniture table that online lists for $437 and some change. Why someone threw it away is my wildest guess is that these table legs don't match the color of the table. That is something you'll see when we put this together. But all the parts are here. It's going to be an easy build, but this is just an example of the kind of things that people throw away and the kind of things that you can find if you just look around and do a little bit of rescue yourself. We have the table completely put together. There's a couple of spots on the top that I've tried to get off. I disinfected the whole table because it was outdoors for I don't know how long. The legs have a little bit of damage where the person who threw them away caused them to be chipped a little bit on the corners. There's a couple of stains on the tabletop that I don't know if they're water from being in the alley for a certain number of times because we had some rain when I found this, or if they're the reason that the person threw it away who didn't want this table. At any rate, it's a really nice table. The other option is they didn't like this combination of the beige with the silver. At the start of the video, when you saw me start to take it apart, you saw me take out, or what I thought I was going to do was take out the leaf, but in reality, the leaf is just held right in here, and you simply lift it out, put it in place, and reclose the table. For having been found in an alley, ready to be picked up by a bulk trash and thrown away, I think this is a pretty good find. I already have somebody that wants it. It's one of the easiest furniture rescues I've ever done. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you.